Myself Preeti Bansal, and I am assistant professor at Biyani Group of Colleges. My topic is computer and its importance. Nowadays we are using computer in each and every field of our life. So what exactly computer is? Computer is an electronic device which takes raw data as input, process that input as per our instructions and gives result as output. Means whatever we are telling the computer to do, it is taking that instructions, process it and gives our desired output. Okay, and how computer is working? Computer performs its function with the help of two different parts, hardware and software. What are hardware? Hardwares are the physical components of the computer. Means all the parts of the computer, whether they are inside the computer system or outside the computer system, that we can touch and feel. They are called as the hardware, which are basically divided into two categories, input and output. Input devices are the devices or the parts of the computer system which are used to give instructions or which are used to insert data into the computer, and they are like keyboard, mouse, webcam, joysticks, microphones. These all are the input devices. And what are output devices? Output devices are the hardware or the parts of the computer system which shows the result. Okay, like monitor, printer, speakers, these all are the output devices. Clear? So hardware and software. Hardware is clear. These are the physical part of the computer system, and now software. Softwares are the programs or the set of the instructions which are required for the functioning of the computer. Means without software, computer system can't perform. And these programs are divided into two categories, application software and system software. What are application software? Application softwares are like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta. Okay, these are the software which helps or which are giving some special. Application softwares are the softwares like Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, banking apps, college apps. Means these are the softwares which are designed for some specific function or specific task, and they are not mandatory for the computer system for their working. And the second one is the system software. System softwares are the softwares or the set of the instructions like operating systems which are required and which are mandatory for the proper functioning of the computer system. Clear? So the parts of the computer consist of hardware and software. Now next is how that computer works. The working of the computer is divided into four steps: input, process, output and storage. Input means we have to give commands or the instructions to the computer what it has to do. Process means it is doing processing of our instructions, and after processing it gives us the output or the result. Now the last stage is the storage. The output, if you want to store that output for the future purpose, we are storing that output in the form of prints, or we can store them in pen drive, memory cards, hard disk, etc. Clear? So till yet we have covered the introduction of the computer system, parts of the computer system which is having hardware and software, input devices are there, output devices are there, application software is there, system software is there, and the working of the computer system. Now the importance of computer. Where are the fields? What are the fields where we are using computer system? So computer is useful in hospitals to keep the patient's record, banks to keep the account details of the different customers, in education for online platforms or the learning apps, in communication we are using emails or video conferences, in entertainment we are using computers to play online games and watching movies, etc.